Welcome to my world. Most people thought AI would take over simple, repetitive tasks, things like factory work, data entry, or custom service. But creativity? That was supposed to be safe. Nobody expected AI to start making art, composing music, or even generating entire videos. And yet, here we are. AI is revolutionizing the creative world at an unbelievable speed. Some artists are embracing it, others are fighting back. Lawsuits are being filed, jobs are being lost. The future of creativity is uncertain, and a lot of people are angry or scared. It seems like AI is replacing human artists, or maybe this is the beginning of a new creative revolution. Welcome to our retreat far in northern Finland, where today I share my thoughts and ideas on this topic. If my conclusions are right, there might be another big surprise approaching for creative people. This time, a positive surprise. Good morning. It's a frosty morning here at the Arctic Mindfulness Retreat. I hope the lake is not frozen since it's below zero. It's also pretty cold here at the cabin. I had to start the heating immediately in the morning. And I put nets to the lake yesterday, so hopefully I can still get them out. It's impossible to see from here. There's no wind, so the lake looks like a mirror. Could be it's a little bit frozen. It's totally silent here, but I was thinking about the future of humankind with the coming of the AI and the purpose that we are all needing. And I was thinking like what kind of people will handle it in different ways. And I'm myself a very creative person, and I used to work in IT in software testing, and sometimes the software testing is pretty exciting and interesting when you are hunting some elusive bug or there's some weird problems and you really have to use all your imagination and skill and be the detective to detect what was the cause, and sometimes it's extremely difficult. But sometimes it's extremely boring running through endless rows of test cases, repeating them over and over and over and over and over and over. And for me, that's not good, since I really get bored quickly with it, and also my mind starts to wander because I'm a creative person. I start to think, why are we doing this like this? I want to improve how we are doing this. And actually, I did work in the as a competence lead for a long time, and I was planning how to do things better in a way that you actually gain more skills while you are doing it, then you keep interested in it, and to get away from that more boring thing that was boring to me. I know there's some people who just like to do it like that. They are told what to do and they do their jobs, and they are happy about it, and they actually don't like persons like me who are then trying to disrupt this balance that they have the system to create something new. Change is very scary or annoying to these people. Of course, change is a little bit scary to everybody, but I think it's the only constant that we can trust, is that things keep on changing. And we can always improve things ourselves and the things that we do and how we do them. As a creative person, I think it was a little bit difficult to work in IT. It's not really, I mean, I like technology. I tinker a lot with things. I'm a really like an engineer, but I'm a mixture of engineer and artist and inventor and maybe a little bit crazy. So it was sometimes a little bit difficult. But maybe with the coming AI, and if AI will do most of the normal jobs, all this engineering and everything will be done with the AI. We need to find new things to do, and maybe this future is the time for the creative people. I mean, you can do art, and you don't need to compete with the AI. We've all seen the pictures and now even videos done by AI. Maybe you can do art for yourself, just out of the fun of doing it, or handcrafts, whatever, or different kinds of art like music or theater. Maybe the movies and music, everything was done mainly by the AI, but then we do it from people to people, like live theaters that before TV and movies. We go back to that. In music, we go back to live music. 100 years ago, we didn't have recorded music. All the music was live. So maybe we go back to that and connect more with people, like physically, not just through internet or YouTube videos. And maybe this is the time for the creative people. Maybe they will find the meaning in life easier. Of course, I think all people could find benefits in mindfulness, looking in, and slowing down a little and not define yourself through your job or something like that. But yeah, I'm looking forward for the future and possible time for the creative people. And if you like my thoughts, like it and subscribe it. Will help me to do more of these videos. So good morning to you from the Arctic.